guys, it's Boog, and today we're going strawberry picking.
You are a little over 4 feet. Look behind you. This one right here.
Alright guys, so here I'm washing the strawberries to make sure there's no dirt inside. I'm mixing them up really good. I'm mixing them with my hands to get everything out. Now I'm cutting the tops of the strawberries. Make sure you have your mom or dad around you, or let them cut the tops of the strawberries for you. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my strawberries in the blender first. Then I'm going to pour a cup of milk into the blender. Then pour half a cup of ice into it. Then put the top on, and then I blend. Look at the color of it. It looks like a pink flower. Now I'm pouring the smoothie into my cup. Now it's time for the taste test. This one tasted really good. So here what I have in my bowl is chopped up lemons and strawberries. Now first what I'm doing is I'm putting the lemons into the juicer. It's going so fast. Now I'm putting in the strawberries. Look at that. Now we're putting in water into the cup. Now time to put the juice into the cup of water. So then we are putting a tablespoon of sugar. And now we're mixing it up. It's actually good.
You like it? Let me taste it. Girl, that is bitter. Put 2 more tablespoons in there. Something that's actually good. Put 2 more tablespoons in that thing.
Since Mommy didn't like the first batch, we put in some more sugar. We put 3 tablespoons into it. It's big scoops. Now we are mixing it up. Now it's time to taste it. So it was bitter. So I kind of made the face. So now I'm talking to my mom. My mom told me to put some ice in it because it was still bitter. It was still a little bit bitter, but later we put some more sugar. We did buy store-bought shortcake, but homemade was better. We used 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. We use 1 cold stick of butter. We cut the butter into cubes so it can mix better in the dough. I'm using this little thingy to mash the butter into the dough. We used 1/2 cup of half and half, or you can use regular milk. Now we are cracking an egg. We put it separate so there's no shell in the milk. Now we are stirring the egg mixture. Stirring it really good until it gets yellow. Now we are pouring the mixture into the thing. Now we are stirring it up. It's getting so yellow. Now you want to sprinkle some flour gently on in your work area. Then take out everything from the bowl. Then we started kneading the dough. Since we didn't have any round cookie cutters, we used a cup to cut out the shortbread. We sprinkled a little bit of sugar on the top and put it in the oven. We poured a 1/4 cup of water into a pot. Then we poured in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now it's time to mix it up. Now we have to put the strawberries in to the pot. Lots of strawberries. The shortbread is done after 20 minutes in the oven. Now we're pouring heavy cream into the mixer. Now pouring vanilla extract into it. Now it's time to mix it up. Now it's time to put the strawberries into the cream. Then mix up the strawberries. Let's try the try. It tasted really good. Now we are putting the strawberries onto the shortbread. Lots of strawberries. Now we're putting the cream. Now it's time to try. Tastes really good. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video and the recipes I made with the strawberries, click that like and subscribe button. Until next time, bye!